Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable the search box, speed dial, and search suggestions from within the Opera web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the Opera icon up in the top left corner of the browser. Just go ahead and left click on that and go down and select Settings. Now on the right side, you want to scroll down to the bottom where it says Advanced and go ahead and just left click on that. So now you want to scroll down on this page and where it says Hide Search Box, Hide Speed Dial, as well as Show Speed Dial Suggestions. You can turn all of them on or off depending on your preference. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. So again, we want to hide the search box and hide speed dial. If we open up a new tab again, you notice it's no longer there. Pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.